It's kind of a weird lighting here, I know, but at the same time, it's kind of the only place where there is light, which looks kind of normal and aesthetic. Anyways, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, and today I want to show you how you can get free clothing, just like that. How I get free clothing and how I have gotten free clothing. In most of these cases, you don't need to be influencer. There's only one place where there's like kind of some little bit requirement to join the program, but it's like really small as well. And not only clothing, actually it's also beauty, interior, like actually everything. It's not only free clothing, just because I'm more interested in clothing and fashion, then I'm like paying more attention to that. But in general, there is not only fashion, there's for everything. Okay, I want to talk about Shein. I know Shein's fast fashion. Shein's not like the best. Even though I think they have started those programs supporting small designers, and they are like those like whip more luxurious part. If you want, you can only buy from there. If you didn't know, Shein has a program where you can get free clothing. You join, you choose. I will see on app if I can see. You need to go on your profile on Shein. Look at free trials center, and there you have all the clothing and items, not only clothing, also other items, even for pets they have and all that, where you can pick some. I think it was three maximum you can choose, and then after a while it will show on your profile if you got the clothing or not, and this is the way how you can get and try out clothing. I know people who have got and they get a lot. Other one is AliExpress. And AliExpress, again, I know plenty of people who get those diamond paintings from there for free. Well, it's like kind of they have a system you need to pay 1 cent, and I think it's just to show that you're a real person and that you're like that and everything is real, you know, so you're not like some scammer or something. But it's like 1 cent, it's like nothing. There you need to scroll in their application and push on freebies, and in freebies each day they have a new arrivals, and each day you can, if Shein has like, I don't know how much period of time they give, like when they put like new stuff out, and you can choose again, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, and here each day you can choose 2 items and then see if they chose you or not. As you know, AliExpress have all kind of items, so you can get everything you want and need from there. I'm just too lazy and I don't have time to each day add items and try. Like, I forgot once actually one, it was kind of small organizers, which I thought it would be big one for my Kellogg's or something, and it was so small. So I have like all the like hair clips in there. Then YesStyle, if you follow me on Instagram or anywhere, then you know it's different and difficult to say. I will say I'm an affiliate of YesStyle and actively promote YesStyle items that I love and that I have tried on and like show off on my TikTok. And by the way, on TikTok you can see I have shown what kind of items I have received for free from YesStyle, and you don't need to be like an influencer to get it. It's called influencer program, I think, but the requirements are really small. I think it was like 500 followers and something like that, and you just join, and they have all kind of lotteries, giveaways. You need to follow their YesStyle influencers profile on Instagram, so there they show and tell you when they have like some giveaways, sometimes those lottery wheels kind of, which is like easy to win. Last month that lottery wheel won like $75 or something, so I literally made like a whole order using that, so it's easy to win in many cases. Some cases they like just tell you to screenshot or show on stories your favorite item or your wishlist item, or on Pinterest pin, and then they choose one and give him like $100 to spend on their website, and you later on you can show off those items, you cannot show off, but obviously you can also get commission again if someone buys from your links and using your discount code. But that's like a really great way as well, and actually like many people say it's scam and everything, but I don't know, like it's actually one of the programs that most items and clothing I have got, and now I also try and cruelty free beauty items. So I have gotten until now at least like 5 or 6 already orders from them for free. I don't know what kind of scam they are talking about. Each has their own stuff, there are collaboration stuff, there's affiliate links, and there's these kind of programs, each have their own, but you cannot call it scam if they actually give you free money to spend on their website and you can get free clothing. They're not saying that they are going to give you a salary or something, you know, so I don't know what kind of scam they're talking about, but if you're into that, that's why I'm really openly telling you, if you're into that, then try out and join. All the links and all the codes and everything are down below, so you can join, try it out. It's all for free. Just join. If you don't like it, then forget about it. Last but not least is kind of at some point my favorite one, which is not many people know about it, and I'm ranting about it so much on Yes. And if, let's say like that, if it would be about money, I would more rant about YesStyle or like all the affiliate programs and all that. But I'm ranting about Best Secret app because I actually love it, but I get the least out of it. Let's say like that. You can get some small commission if someone that you register through your link buys something. Then you get some kind of commission that you can spend on their page. I just really love the page because it's the best shopping app I have found, but it is exclusive invitation only. Right now, as I'm filming this, I have 6 invitations left. I had around 10 or even more. I think at the beginning I had 12. So I have 6 now. That means 6 people can register for free. It's totally for free. It's no scam. It's nothing. It's app that I use for 2 years already, and if there are apps that I'm like, okay, I don't need this, it's like I don't use it enough, it's like meh, and I delete it, then this app is something like I don't buy from them a lot just because I don't have that much money to do shopping all the time. But I actually love it so much that I always go and see what kind of sales they have. Many brands on it, like from the simplest one as Villa Clothing, Vera Moda, up to Dior, Gucci, Guess, Kate Spade, like middle and high, and even high end. And they have so many things to choose from as well. It's not like sometimes on these apps there's like 20 items, like, and the most ugly ones or something. They actually have for all styles, for all brands, for all budget. They have everything, plus each day you have new items. Plus they also have a lot of different sizes. It's not just, oh, S size, this one item, and then if you are L size, there's nothing. Now, most of the items have all the sizes. Also they have sales and offers every single day. I have seen so good prices for Gucci items, for Michael Kors items, for Guess items for like literal Vera Moda price. Then I have seen, what else? I saw, oh, Karl Lagerfeld. Oh my god, the ones who love Karl Lagerfeld, they have such a cute stuff. So I'm telling you, just if you want, hurry. When I joined, I was invited by a friend, so therefore I trusted him because he was like, I know you're going to love it because you know brand, you love brands, you love shopping, but at the same time you don't have so much money to shop like for like original prices. Then I just was scrolling all the time and really didn't have like money at all or reasons to shop. I first item only shopped 1 year after I registered, but who cares, like you can register and then you can see when you need something and what you need. And since then I'm hooked, and I have so far bought 4 amazing items that I love each of them. I get all the time compliments about these items. In the last order I did get from commissions, which I didn't even know that I had commissions, which I guess someone bought from my links. You get to that money not when someone just registers, but when they buy something. So that's what I'm saying, like I'm just happy that I discovered this app, because if you love fashion, then you need to give this app a chance. And this is not also sponsored or anything like that. I wish they would sponsor me, but they're not sponsoring me, unfortunately. And all the links and codes and all that down below. 6 invitations left. Maybe now already less, I don't know, but just register, check it out. If you don't like it, just forget about it. Easy as that. If you're interested, what are those 4 items that until now I have gotten from the Best Secret? Use it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, because next part will be when I'm going to show you what I ordered and my full review of these items. So stay tuned and let me know if there's some other apps or like great things where you can accumulate money or commissions and get free clothing or any like kind of programs and all of that. And see you guys next time. Bye.